Brain cancer is an abnormal growth of tissue in the brain. Unlike other tumors, brain cancers are spread by local extension and rarely metastasize spread outside the brain. A benign brain cancer is composed of non-cancerous cells and does not metastasize beyond the part of the brain where it originates. A brain cancer is considered malignant if it contains cancer cells, or if it is composed of harmless cells located in an area where it suppresses one or more vital functions. Brain cancer symptoms. Brain cancer may have a variety of symptoms, ranging from headache to stroke. Different parts of the brain control different functions, so symptoms will vary depending on the tumor's location. Brain cancer are great mimics of other neurological disorders, and many of the common symptoms could indicate other medical conditions. Possible symptoms of a brain cancer include headaches, usually worse in the morning, nausea and vomiting, changes in your ability to talk, hear or see, problems with balance or walking, problems with thinking or memory, muscle jerking or twitching, numbness or tingling in arms or legs. Brain cancer treatments. Brain cancer are treated with surgery, radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Depending on your needs, several methods may be used. Our team includes neurosurgeons, medical oncologists, radiation oncologists, nurses, a dietitian and a social worker, who work together to provide the best possible care. Before treatment begins, most patients are given steroids, drugs that relieve swelling or edema. You may receive anticonvulsant medicine to prevent or control seizures. Surgery. Surgery is the usual treatment for most brain cancer. To remove a brain cancer, a neurosurgeon makes an opening in the skull. This operation is called a craniotomy. Whenever possible, the surgeon attempts to remove the entire tumor. Radiation therapy. Brain cancer are treated with surgery, radiation therapy and chemotherapy. Our doctors also are studying a vaccine for treating a recurrent cancer of the central nervous system that occurs primarily in the brain, known as glioma. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is the use of drugs to kill cancer cells. The doctor may use just one drug or a combination, usually giving the drugs orally or by injection, into a blood vessel or muscle. Intrathecal chemotherapy involves injecting the drugs into the cerebrospinal fluid. Brain cancer is a common disease, yet every individual needs unique treatment and care. We encourage people with brain cancer and their families to learn, as much as possible, about the latest medical treatment and approaches, as well as healthy lifestyle choices. For more information about brain cancer and how to treat brain cancer, just click on the link at description or visit www.mainmd.com. Thank you.